Do you like sunny days, or do you enjoy rainy weather more? Let's find out together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English with me. Today we are talking about the weather. The weather is an important topic because we talk about it almost every day. It helps us choose our clothes, plan our activities, and decide where to go. Let's start with sunny weather. Sunny days are my favorite. When the sun is shining, I feel happy and full of energy. I like going for a walk, visiting the park, or spending time with my family outside. In summer, sunny days can be very hot. I drink a lot of water and wear light clothes to stay comfortable. Some people love hot weather, but others like cooler days. Everyone has a different favorite season. Now let's talk about cloudy weather. Cloudy days are quiet and calm. Sometimes the sky is full of gray clouds, but it does not rain. I like cloudy weather when I want to stay home, read a book, or watch a movie. However, after many cloudy days, I miss the sunshine. Rainy weather is also very common. When it rains, I usually stay inside if I do not have to go out. If I go outside, I take an umbrella and wear a raincoat. The sound of the rain can be relaxing. Some people enjoy listening to the rain while drinking a warm cup of tea. Rain is also important because it helps plants, trees, and flowers grow. Without rain, many places become very dry. Now let's talk about windy weather. Windy days can be nice, especially when the weather is warm. A cool wind makes me feel fresh and comfortable. Sometimes the wind is very strong, and it can move trees, leaves, and even umbrellas. On very windy days, I like to stay inside. Snowy weather is beautiful, but it is very cold. I do not see snow every year, so I get excited when I see it. Children love making snowmen and having snowball fights. Many families enjoy skiing or playing in the snow during winter holidays. Stormy weather is different. Heavy rain, strong wind, thunder, and lightning can make storms dangerous. When there is a storm, I stay at home and wait for the weather to become better. Safety is always the most important thing. Every season has different weather. Spring is fresh, summer is hot, autumn is cool, and winter is cold. I enjoy every season because each one has something special. My favorite weather is warm and sunny because I can spend more time outside with my family and friends. Good weather makes me feel happy, but I also enjoy staying at home with a good book or a warm drink when it rains. Now I have a few questions for you. What is your favorite type of weather? Do you like sunny days or rainy days? Have you ever seen snow? What season do you like the most? Write your answers in the comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Speak English with me for more English listening practice. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.
Bye.